Hi everybody, this is Urbansweetheart Teresa, and I'm here with a new review for you on this wig right here. This is Outre's Perfect Hairline, Lori. We're doing Lori today. All right, Lori is DR4 / Tiramisu. So I believe that's this one right here. I've seen a few people do reviews on her. As usual, I'm looking for me a blonde. I know I like old nasty blonde wig. Oh, dark rooted. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. Stock card. This one right here. I seen this one. This was pretty. I seen most people do the black, which is it put me in the mind of Dorothy Dandridge type of style, and I thought that was so cute. But y'all know me, I just got to be doing the most. Doing the most. All right. Nope, that ain't trying to come on. We have a adjustable band, lace, ear to ear, combs on both sides, comb in the back, adjustable straps. All right. Let me cut the lace off and I'll be right back. Okay, people, so I cut off the lace, put some more of this stuff on it, and let's see, the straps are at the loosest spot, but let me tell y'all, this looks small. You got a big head, I don't think you need to be trying this. I'm not tightening the strap on it or nothing. Oh yeah, I look like somebody's grandma. All right, we have bendable ear tabs. Let me see. It's got a little room. If you do got a situation back there you're trying to cover, protective style or anything, you'll be able to get away with it. Now, I cut it with these joints, the serrated edge things. So you seeing anything funny around the perimeter, it's that. Normally, I would just went with my regular scissors, but I tried those. I really can't tell. Like I said, I'm on my phone. I can't see like if I was looking at my monitor, so I won't know until I upload this how it really come out. Secure the edges down if you want, but I'm thinking this looks good. It really does. All right, here we go. What we gonna do with old girl? Y'all see me looking. All right, I'm gonna use the comb. I'm gonna use the comb. I'm gonna use the comb. Go, Teresa, go. I'm just trying to comb through it. And I didn't cut it close, but we got a good amount of shedding because there were baby hairs. I kept them on there. I know I'm not securing this down, but you can. Got this going. Just going through that hair that's short in the back. I'm thinking you could take some of this bulk out right here. No, y'all ain't trying to cut nowhere. But I think you could. Really could. Cut that out. I'm just putting it behind my ear. Cut all this out. I don't think all that is necessary. Get that height. A little spray, hairspray. And y'all know, like I said again, I don't have this secured down. But the hairline is not looking too bad. Like I said, maybe if you did use the melting spray or something, you would take that little bit of a line away. Some powder. That's some of them little baby hairs. You can swoop that. But I don't really encourage that if you're trying to hide the line. Just try to find something else, because that to me is just really like a dead giveaway. You're trying to cover that lace. Maybe just do natural little baby hairs, like, and then secure that down. You know, it look like really good. That wind catch you. You ain't got to be ashamed. I hope this back look all right. I tried to bring it in. But if not, y'all could do whatever you want with it. But I think this is a nice color. The mix is popping. All right, let's go around. Y'all ready? Work appropriate? Mm-hmm. I like it. Dare I say I love it. Nice summer short deal. You want that off your neck, off your back, off your face. It's a good unit. Let me look at this chick again. Lori. Outre. Lori. Get her if you can. In a couple of colors. Summer will be here soon, people. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.